Open the INKCHIP website, the link is in the description. It's necessary to buy a reset service in this website. It will cost around $10. Sure, there are other websites that offer the same service, but I've tested this one and it works. I will show you how to reset the waste ink pad counter of an Epson XP-345, but you can use this method for all Epson inkjet printers. Click on Week. Here there is a list of the Epson models you can reset. Choose language. Download the program. Now buy the service. Click on Buy. Add to cart. Click here. Checkout. Insert your datas. The reset code will be sent you by email, so be sure the mail is correct. Choose the payment. Place the order. You will receive a code like this by email. Install the program. Open it. Choose Waste Ink Counters. Insert your printer. Click on Reset Waste Ink Counter. Insert the code they sent you via mail. OK. Done. Turn off the printer and turn it on again. The waste ink counter is now 0. Remember that if the waste pads are really full of ink, after some time you will have an error message again. In this channel there are the instructions on how to remove and clean the Epson waste ink pads.